Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to make double crochet ribbing. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. I have a little test swatch here that I have made using two different colors so I can easily show how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For my test swatch, I have already made double crochet ribbing on the body right here. On the row that I'm currently working, I have made 3 chains. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the double crochet stitch, and how to work in the back loops. I have tutorials on all those and I will have those listed down below. I have already made tutorials on the ribbing for single crochet stitch and half double crochet stitch as well. I will have those tutorials listed down below too. So like I said, I have already made 3 chains over here on my hook. This is going to count as 1 double crochet. So we're going to go ahead and move on to the second stitch right here. And all we're going to be doing for this row is we're going to be making double crochet stitches and they're going to be worked into the back loops. So I'm going to go ahead and make 1 double crochet and this is going to be the back loop right here where you're going to work into. So I'm going to go ahead and make 1 regular double crochet. And that's basically going to be it for this entire row. So I'm going to go ahead and make my next one. Keep on going with those double crochet stitches. You can see that a little ridge right here is forming from working in the back loops. And that is good. That is what you're going to want. So I'm just going to keep working these double crochets into the back loops all along this row right here. All the way to the last stitch in your row. Okay, and this is how the double crochet ribbing is going to look. It's very stretchy and there are going to be ridges along the rows that you work your back loops. And you can see the back looks the same. You're just going to continue this row for as long as you want your the length of your desired project. So your next row you would do exactly the same as over here. You would chain 3 and then work double crochets into the back loops of your next row. Same for your next row. You would just continue this pattern on and on. So this is going to be how double crochet ribbing looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Thank you guys so much for being here. Have a great day.